Do you know how much damage you are going to make in Rosie's profile? Why tarnishing her image? Why are you a hater? I'm talking to you. Guys, please pardon me if I say anything wrong or something that will not be pleasant to someone out there, but I have to, because this video I am really hot right now. And if you want to know the topic of today's video, please watch the video from the beginning to the ending and stay tuned for more videos. I love you guys and see you there.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Why the envy? Why are you jealous about her? Why do you wish her bad? Wow, this is amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Your Girl with another inspirational video and another ultimate couples update. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home and then staying at home safe. I'm really hot when I saw a message posted out there on Facebook, and the message was from a fellow female. I wasn't happy when I saw that message. That particular message, I won't read it. I'm gonna insert it for you guys to read it for yourself, because I feel shy. I even feel embarrassed for me to read out that message, and I know that I'm hot. I'm not related to the person, but I'm just hot. And then you will also see a smiling face in this video, probably when I'm announcing something that is very beautiful and amazing, and I will share it with you guys. So let's get started to the video. Today's video is all about talk about haters, talk about wicked people. Why are you all wicked? Why are you all selfish? When you know that when you tell something to someone, it will hurt the person, why will you say it? And they don't say it when you are poor. They don't say it when you are ugly. They say it when you are beautiful. They say it when you are okay, when you are trying to succeed. Why? This message I got is from Facebook. A fellow female said to Rosie that you have been, I don't want to mention the name, around your street. And that's so embarrassing and so bad. Even if you know that Rosie has been doing that, everybody has your own past. And I don't even believe it. If Rosie has been doing such thing, I think the day one she entered the house, the love part, I have been following social media since this ultimate love started, but I haven't seen any message related to that to Rosie. All the things I see is Rosie is a beautiful girl. She is beautiful in and out. She's a hardworking person and she's a teacher. So why now? Why now when people know that she have already found love, they are trying to tarnish her image? Why? Why do we do it? It's very rare for you to see a man tarnishing an image of another man, but you always see it in the midst of women. Why? Why do we always do that? Do we have any gain in it? Do we benefit from it? Or are you paid when you do such? When I read it at the first time, I was saying that this, I don't even think is something that I can even talk about, but I have to talk about it because someone out there will meet it on the internet and the person will believe it. So if you know that you believe in this, please try to clear it out of your mind. Yes, it's true that she wasn't married and then she got some kids. Hey, my guys, do you know how many people are out there in their matrimonial house? They are looking for a child, just for one. They're not even praying to get a male child. They're just looking for a female child. Because in the African society, we believe that the male child is expensive than the female child. So just a female child, they can't get it. So if you get one, two, even if it is wedlock, I don't think there is any big deal in it. There are so many houses you enter, you will see one or two people who are having it. And they are the ones who will sit here, wipe out their teeth and be insulting some people who have done that in the past. That is their past. And it has been stated that this is their destiny, they have to come across it. So why do you blame such people? Sometimes I said to people that people don't get what they want. You propose and God dispose. That might not be Rosie's prayers, it might not be Rosie's wishes, but unfortunately that was her portion. Because someday, whatever you think it will not bounce back to you, it might bounce back to you. You might be a female out there and you are married, you have your kids and happily married, and you are insulting Rosie today, someone will insult you the next day. What goes around comes around. If you throw stones to someone's mom, someone else will throw stones to your own mom. So let us stop all this hate. It's not good. What if Rosie was out of the street right now to do something that will generate money for her? And that will be the thing that will stop her And that will be the thing. People will not believe her. People will not have trust in her to give her that endorsement. Do you know how much damage will you have made into her? Do you know how much damage you have made into her own family? Do you know how much damage you have made into the person who is loving her? Kachi might be saying that I'm not following all these things, I'm just ignoring them. But we are all human. We are all human. Sometimes you have to flashback. Sometimes you have to sit alone and meditate. And you'll be asking yourself, is this true or not? Or is this Satan? Satan, wherever it is not fitted, that's where he or she enters. Stop tarnishing people's image. You are a hater, fine, you don't like Rosie's progress. Sit in your own courtyard and celebrate with your family, or celebrate with your loved ones, or even gossip about it, but don't bring it to the internet. Because internet will never die. Internet will still remain. I am not saying it because I want to defend Rosie, but I want to defend ourselves, we ladies. If you are beautiful, they said you are I don't want to mention the name. If you are beautiful, they said your head is empty. If you are beautiful, they say you don't have any aim. All you have to do is to follow men to make money. But if you are ugly and you are poor, nobody says anything about you because you are perfect. Why? If you are quiet, they said, this person is very humble, this person is very quiet, this person doesn't talk. Do you know how much secret that person is having? You don't know. But when you are lousy, you are talkative, you say your mind, you express your feelings, people misinterpret you. People say things they don't know about you. Who is a victim? I'm talking to someone out there. I'm not just talking to Rosie. My channel is all about to inspire someone. Yes, someone out there is facing the same challenges. Whenever she dresses up, look good, look beautiful, she comes out, they say that yes, she's going to follow men again. Yes, she's on her best. Yes, she's doing her best. Yes, she's on her way again to go and meet men. Why? Why are we always obsessed? Try to mind yourself. Try to think of the future. Try to think of the implication it can cause to someone. Try to think about the bad implication. Don't be so selfish. Don't be ungrateful. If you don't mind, this is the person who has been asking Rosie for 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira. But now that Rosie has hammer, that's how I will use the word. Now Rosie has succeeded in achieving her aims, her goals and ambitions because she's determined and strong. No, I can't allow her to cherish. I can't allow her to enjoy this. I have to come out and pour hot soup on top of the fire. Why? The fire has already been flamed. So why do you want to add? I'm talking to you. If you come across this video, go back to your room, sit back and meditate and ask for forgiveness. And if you can delete out that message, you do it. I'm really hot because she's a fellow lady. I'm really hot because he's a mother. I'm really hot because he's ambitious. I'm really hot because he's a go-getter. So why are you tarnishing her image? Even if that was what she have done in the past, you shouldn't have come here and say rubbish. And she even went to an extent to say that Kachi's mother has rejected Rosie. You are lying. That's a blue lie. Because Rosie has said it from herself. And then I've watched that video. She has said that they accepted her. And then Kachi himself, the hero, has said that they accepted her. So why are you saying that? Because you are hot that she's progressing. Because you are hot that your aim towards her, you didn't succeed. My dear fellow women, let us be our sisters back. Let us be our sisters' keepers. We cannot be backstabbing them every now and then. We can't be backbiting them. We can't be tarnishing their image. Instead of us to sit down and iron out the things Rosie has done in her life to succeed, to have the boldness to come out here on live TV, to express herself, to make people to know her, to teach other people, to make people to learn from her. You are there, busy jotting down the rubbish you have done in the past, or even instigate the rubbish you have done in the past, or fabricate lies to come and embarrass her, to come and let her down. But you will never succeed, you will fail. Because Rosie will go forward and she will marry Kachi, either you like it or not. As long as the God we are serving is living, she will marry Kachi and you cannot do nothing about it. So it's better you go out there to delete out that image you sent out there and people have read it. I am neutral in this ultimate love, but I have been following them from the beginning to the ending. And then I find out that I get hurt sometimes when they say bad things about a particular couple or a particular individual. I feel bad because people are just wicked. People are just haters. People are just selfish. So in a nutshell, I'm gonna round up this particular topic about Rosie, and I want you guys to leave a comment on the comment section to talk about this matter. If you know anything about it and it's good, of course you can contribute, because it's gonna help us. The channel is all about to inspire someone out there. I might mention Rosie's name today, but I have touched someone out there who is voiceless. So thank you so much. I'm closing this chapter for Rosie, because if I continue, I might say something I should not say. Let's move on to the beautiful announcement. I'm gonna upload the video. I know the video is short, but I'm gonna upload it. It's all about Mike. Mike Big Brother Nigeria 2019, Pepe Dem Gan. His wife is pregnant. The wife has done a video with Mike saying that she have never thought that she can be pregnant. And today, they are expecting a child. And I wish them good luck. I wish God to guide that pregnancy from the beginning to delivery. And I know God will do that. And then Mike, good luck. Good luck, and your wife, good luck to her. She's an athlete. She thought that she will never give birth. Probably she have been hearing people telling her such things, but finally she is pregnant and she is happy, and she is so happy. Yes, you can watch the video.
It was kind of put on hold, and now it's just, and I never thought I could get pregnant. That was one thing, and then to find out, that I'm pregnant, I was like, yes, this is exciting. I can't wait to tell my husband.
I'm going to conclude this video in to tell someone out there that don't be discouraged even if you don't have a child for 10 years or more than 8. Someday you will have a child, and that child will wipe out all your fears and your tears. Don't be terrified. Never. Always be strong, be determined, and do what it takes for you to get a child. God time is the best. Not when people say that you are barren, you think you are barren. No, you are not. When the time comes, of course you conceive. So nevertheless, be strong, be prayerful, keep your mind towards your husband. Don't listen to bad talks, don't listen to negativity, don't listen to criticisms. People will criticize you, of course. People will even call you names, most especially in African society when you are living with your in-laws. You will hear everything. They will say everything bad about you. They will even say that you are taking some drugs so that you will not have a child. There's a lot of things going out there in the African society, but we just have to get used to it, because something we have met here, and it's not going to be easy for us to eradicate it. But we just need to be strong and then mind our business towards people. Know what you talk about people. Know what to say to someone, because when somebody tells you something that will hurt you, don't voice it out to say it to someone else, because the same thing will apply to that person. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. To my new subscribers, thank you so much. I'm grateful. I'm glad that you guys are here. You guys are beautiful. You guys are wonderful. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I'm going to give out a shout out to 5 countries: United States, UK, South Africa, Gambia, Senegal, Namibia, Botswana, Nigeria, Ghana, and Zimbabwe. I appreciate you all. I am always grateful when I see people comment on my channel and they mention the country they are from. I feel great. I feel amazed, because I haven't visited those countries before, but someday I might be there. And I love you all. Don't hesitate to click on the like button, and don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, because it's very important to the channel. And then see you guys in another video. Bye bye. Love you all. Sorry if I say anything that will hurt someone here. I don't mean to, but I have to say it.